Hi, today we're going to be talking about Toastmasters. So even in my club, they have a lot of issues of where do you submit your education, transcribe, and all these things. And today I'm just going to bring you step by step of how do you complete what do you call that? Complete your project, and then how do you submit the project and things like that. So this is I just completed my the second project for level 4, and I'm going to show you step by step how I do it. So first you log in. Once you log in, you go to your pathways. There's a few, you just go to Basecamp. As I am a VPE for my club, that's why I'm able to access the Basecamp manager. But just ignore that and just go to Basecamp. Yeah, and I'll be logging in for a while. Access my path. And there. I'm currently taking strategic relationship. Let's open curriculum. Yep. When you open curriculum, you get to see all this. So I'm currently in level 4 and I finished my elective project. So now I left the public relations strategies, which I completed a while ago. So now I just want to complete it and launch it. Yep. So basically when you go in there, you get to like go through everything. So I've completed it. So I just left a few things to complete my assignment and my evaluation. So public relations strategies, yes. You can use various relationship strategies. Identify which meta channel, yes. I know how to promote awareness. Yeah, yep. So you just click next, and then you're completed. Then you have to close this. There. Once you close, it's completed. Then you just have to go evaluate. Continue. Yeah, it is. Agree. Learning a project, yes, agree. The tone, I think could be better. The amount of time required, yes. Submit final answer. And yeah, you have to do uh, after you complete everything, you need to do the survey. So that's it, and it's done. Completed, no due date. Now next you have to go to activate this one. Basically, it's just to get approval. And now, other than doing this, you need to upload your transcript or your evaluation form inside the system as well. So this is how you do it. So once you complete this, go to the Toastmasters pathway. Just click on this big button again to go back to the main page. Go to education transcript, access my path. Then you see e-portfolio, click on it. Documents. So to upload a fish, you receive batch when you receive it out. So you just don't bother, go to documents. And as you see, there's a few files here. You just go level 4, add file, and building a social media thing. And public relations strategies. So I put in the date as well as the which level 4 and things like that. So just add. Yep, And that's it. That's all you need to do. Then you just inform your VP or your president and they'll do the approval accordingly. That's it. Thank you.